Proper oh my god. Okay. Okay, oh my god, that's actually really good. And so I that what is this? Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have an Amazon haul for you guys. So I'm gonna show you guys some beauty products that I bought from Amazon recently. So I have a lot of products. So I'm just gonna go and show you guys what all I bought, and just move on really quickly. And if you want to know anything in detail, if you want a review of certain products in detail, let me know in the comments down below. And everything that I'm showing I'll be listing down below in the description box with links if you want to check it out. So let's get started. So I'll start with the skincare products that I bought. First of all, this is the Plum Green Tea Clear Face Mask. So I don't know if you guys know, but I had really bad pimple problem recently because like during the lockdown and everything I don't know if it's because I used mask, I don't know what is it, and I got a lot of pimples on my face, and it's better now, but I had huge problems. I'll show you the picture right here what the condition was. It was very bad. So I did a lot of research and I bought a lot of stuff which is good for acne prone skin. So green tea is usually really good for acne prone skin, so I just wanted to try out this Plum face mask. And let's see how this is the package, and when you open it, yeah, this is the product. Yeah, I hope this works. If you guys want to know a detailed review on this, let me know. I'll use it and let you know how it worked for me. So if you follow me on Instagram, you will get an update of these products, like how it worked on my skin. So the next product that I bought skincare is these are the face oils. So basically what happens is when you want to do a face massage, and so if you use coconut oil or olive oil, I don't know, like those oils are not good for acne prone skin. So coconut oil will make you break out. So I did a detailed study on that also, and I found out that these oils are really good for acne prone skin. This is grapeseed oil and this is jojoba oil. Yeah, I'll try it out and let you guys know. So these individually it's 299 rupees each, but I bought this together, and this came in one package for 399 rupees, so it's good. PLCC charcoal peel off mask. So I've been waiting to try this charcoal peel off mask for a while, and I didn't know which one to buy. There is a lot of options on Amazon, lot of brands, so I was really confused, but VLCC is something that I've heard good things about, so I thought I'll just try it off. And this one is 4 rupees, this one is for 190 rupees, so I'll just try it out and let you guys know. And now moving on to the makeup products, I bought this Fit Me compact powder. I usually use Fit Me Maybelline Fit Me foundation and concealer and everything, but I've never tried their compact, so I wanted to try this out. I bought it in the shade 310, so that's the foundation shade that I use. So when you open it, it comes in a plastic cover like this, and yeah, that's how it is. Yep. This Banana Revolution, Makeup Revolution banana powder. So banana powder, it's really used for baking. So basically, if you know baking, that is the process of setting your liquid foundation and liquid concealer on your face. Using these kind of things, translucent powder or banana powder will just lock that products onto your face. So yeah, I'll try this out, and I've heard really good things about banana powder, and Makeup Revolution is a brand that I like. I got it for 510 rupees. It's actually 850 rupees. Some offer is going on right now, so yeah. And the next product that I bought is this Color Essence makeup stick, pan stick. It's basically, you can use it as foundation or whatever. I just wanted to try this out how it is. So Yeah, but then this I don't think it's my shade, so I might probably use it on my clients, or I'll just give it to somebody because it's really light for my skin tone. My bad, I chose the wrong shade. But yeah, Color Essence is one really affordable brand and it's for 160 rupees. So the next product that I have is from Lakme. This is the new Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Mini Liquid Lipsticks. It's the package is very cute. It's like yellow in color, colorful, and so I just wanted to try it out. So this is how it is. This is Matte Melt Mini in the shade Nude Umbrella 301 Nude Umbrella. So let's see what, yeah. Okay, so that's a beautiful nude color. Yeah, I am obsessed with nude colors. Recently I've been buying a lot of nude lipsticks. The one that I'm wearing right now is Nude Nuance from Maybelline. I love the texture and the color of it, so yeah. And moving on, the next thing that I bought is from Maybelline. Maybelline has a really good packaging and everything. So it's basically the Colossal Kajals. I love Colossal Kajals, so I bought these two from Maybelline. So this is actually 180 rupees each, but when I bought this from Amazon, it's a combo pack and I got it for 204 rupees, which is a really good deal. And then I bought this Colossal liquid liner again from Amazon. So this one is 249 rupees, but I got it for 161 from Amazon. And the next thing that I bought is this Swiss Beauty eyebrow gel. So Swiss Beauty is one of the most affordable, really good quality brand. I love it. So I have a lot of products from Swiss Beauty. This is also very affordable. I think this is like, so this is 199 rupees, but I got it for 139 from Amazon. So this is a clear brow gel. So I wanted to try this soap gel brow trend that is going on now. Soap eyebrow gel. Soap eyebrow. This soap eyebrow trend that's going on right now. So but I'm not sure if I should apply soap directly onto my eyebrow because already I don't have much. I have like 2, 3, 4 eyebrows left, so I cannot really take a chance with that. So I bought this eyebrow gel so that I don't have to apply soap. So this is basically if you don't want to do your eyebrow and just want to give that lifted eyebrow look, you can use this. You can also use this as mascara. So it's like clear, it doesn't have any color, but it will stay in place. So last product that I got from Beauty is again Swiss Beauty. I'm so in love with this brand. It's very affordable and the quality is really good. This one is a body shimmer and it's in the shade Rose Gold, and I love rose gold. So this is like a highlighter for your body and for your face. If you want to use it on your face, you can use that. So actually I was not expecting such a big package. When I ordered this, I thought the bottle will be like this much, but it's actually really big. And this is 399 rupees. Can you imagine? This big bottle is 399 rupees. It's worth. It's like you can use it on your face as well. Even the face highlighters, I don't think you'll get it in this range. So yeah, it's this big bottle. I'm so happy. And this is rose gold. Let me see how it is. Oh, it has a pump. Nice, it has a pump, and let's see how it works. You can see my skin right now, and I'm just gonna add a little pump. Okay, this actually looks like highlighter. Proper oh my god. Okay. Okay, oh my god, that's actually really good. Wow. Okay, I'm impressed. For 399 rupees, this is great. Okay, so if you have like a deep neck top and all, and if you apply this on your skin, it's gonna look amazing. See the sparkle. Ignore my veins, but yeah. So it's called Brighten Face and Body Highlighter from Swiss Beauty, and yeah, that's the last product from the beauty category. And I will be uploading another haul video, Amazon haul video in fashion category. So I bought a couple of stuff from fashion category as well, so I'll show you guys in my next video. I just don't want this video to be very long, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, ring the bell icon, you guys know what to do. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling, be happy. I love you guys.